Hi, good morning and welcome to my channel. I am Geraldina and I am here because I am doing a review on one of the bags that I just got. Let me show you guys what I just got. It's actually a bag. Hi. Yes. I have been on hold. Actually I've been on with the wait list for almost 2 months to get this, guys. 2 months. So I wanted to do a review of what I feel or how I feel of this bag. Isn't it? Oh my god, I just love how they pack it for you. It's so beautiful, so lovely. I love it. I love the ribbon. I love the camille flower. I just absolutely love it. All right, guys, so with no further ado, let's open it up. You are just excuse me, so beautiful. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notifications when I upload new videos. I'm trying to do probably once a week, once every other week. I do reviews on bags that I acquire, that I get, that I go to the store and buy, or buy them online. So I do have some already up: YSL, Chanel's, Louis Vuitton. So go ahead and check those out, please, if you can. All right, guys, so let me do this. I really don't even want to undo this box, but here it is. You know what? I don't know how I'm gonna open this. All right, guys. This is really tight in there, but okay. Alrighty. Where are you going? I love my essay. He's just such a wonderful person, and this is always keeping me in the loop of what it is, that he has on hand. Like I said, this one I've been on hold, on the wait list for almost 2 months. And when he texted me, he's like, "I have it." I actually went in right away as soon as he called. So here it is. All right, guys, are you guys ready? Oh my! Alrighty. All right, he gave me a cleaning cloth. He said it was my sticky. So this is the. It cost me $2,650 US plus tax. It became to like $2,800 and some cents. And it is it is a WOC, ladies. It is a wallet on chain. Here is the info. It is the classic wallet on chain with gold hardware. It is the AP0250. I don't know what that means, but anyway, so here it is. Here. Just look at it. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let's see, what do we think about this, guys? Okay, so the tissue paper is completely different than the one I'm used to, the ones I've gotten in the past. This one's got the little pleats, and it actually has an imprint on it of Chanel everywhere. My previous ones did not have that, so I'm definitely keeping this tissue as well. So there it is. Here is the suede. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I love this suede dust bag. I just absolutely love it. All right, guys, so here she is. Look at this. Look. Isn't she beautiful? So let's start with the back pocket. It's a little back pocket. Yes, I can't wait to wear it. So it's gold hardware. Let's open her up. Black on black. Sorry, guys, if you guys hear the noise. We're having some trees cut down. Alrighty, so let me remove this. It is burgundy in the inside. Here is my chain. The chain is actually quite long, so I'm very happy, and it's heavy. I'm very happy with that. Alrighty, so right here, that little zipper, guys. So I hear this back pocket, it's quite deep, so let's check it out. And it actually is. So my whole hand, my fingers actually here, all the way here, guys. I could feel it. And look how far in it is, my whole hand. All right, so you can actually fit quite something in there. Alrighty, so let's see. This one does not have the authenticity card anymore, guys, but it does have, I'm gonna show you guys, the microchip, and it is right here. This is your microchip now, and this is where the serial number is now. That's where the serial number is. I don't know if you guys can see it, but here it is with the serial number. And you have a front pocket. It's very well made. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 credit card slots. I have this little tiny pocket in here as well, apart from here, and the zipper. I have the zipper pocket as well, guys, so maybe for some bills. And I have another front pocket right here. So it's got many compartments, and I'm actually very, very happy with it. Extremely happy. Very long. So let me see if you guys can see. What do you guys think? Yes? Nay? I absolutely love it. It's a magnetic closure. This is the Caviar leather, actually. So it is just beautiful, 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 beautiful bag. All right, guys. So let me know what you guys think. I was also told by my essay that another thing that I could do with this bag is strap it on like so. If I wanted to wear it, you know, shorter. Or the other thing that he taught me was I can do this and just kind of flap it over, and it becomes a little wristlet. So this is the many ways that you can wear the walk-on chain. You see that, guys? Isn't it beautiful? It is absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. You can wear it in so many different styles, or you can just simply hide the chain away, hide it away, and wear as a clutch for an evening out. What do you guys think? Please let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. If you have any questions, the serial numbers, like I said, they're new. So the gentleman, my essay at the store said, hey, you know, if it, for some reason, I said, what if it comes off? He's like, you don't worry about it. Come to the store where you purchase it, and they should be able to pull up your information. So this way you guys are more secure that you won't lose the authenticity card anymore, because it's right on it. It's attached to it. So I actually like that much more than before. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like that, but I actually do. I feel more confident that you know, it's something that I won't lose. So I'm very happy with my purchase. If you guys can get a hold of one, do so, because it is just a classic piece to have. So look at that. It's got some, you know, I think you can fit quite a bit in here. You can fit a lot, you know, especially you don't want to wear a Chanel every day. You know, you're going to be using it for, you know, special occasions, I'm assuming. So you're going to need what? Your lipstick, you know, maybe your phone, a credit card, and that's practically it. And you have plenty of room for that on this bag. This is a great purchase. I'm very, very happy with it. If you guys want to know anything more about it, please do comment and let me know, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thank you, guys. You have a great afternoon. Good day. Bye-bye.